broccoli? Yeah, I mean, at first, I mean, that was what you saw in the reality package. That was the first of the week.